It is Gandhi Jayanti today. We pay our obeisance and respects to the father of the nation on this day. And as far as our constituency is concerned and as far as the betterment of our people is concerned, we are taking a step. And the step is to strengthen the Trinamool Congress to take on the BJP. We all know that this country is going through bad times. I don't want to be repetitive. Everybody is sad, everybody is unhappy, and this is not the India that our architects of the liberty gave to us. Our state is going through bad times. Unemployment, economic meltdown, bad administration, bad laws, bad policies. People are troubled. In this situation, how do we fight BJP? I don't want to talk bad of other parties and all that. That is not my brief and that is not my intention. But if you want to fight the BJP, you need a party with a strong resolve. आम्ही कोंकणीन म्हणटा एक निर्धार आणि एक इच्छाशक्त आशिल्ली पार्टीज आहे जी मोदीक टेक ऑन करूंक शकता, जी बीजेपीक टेक ऑन करूंक शकता. You see in the country who is taking on Modi, who is taking on BJP. It is Mamta Didi. It is Trinamool Congress. At the national level, a narrative has been set that if you want to push BJP out of power, then you have to support Mamta Didi and Trinamool Congress. This is a national narrative now. And Goa cannot remain behind or lag behind. We have to strengthen that narrative of putting BJP out of power. And if you want to strengthen the narrative of putting BJP out of power, then you have to support the leader who is showing the way to throw BJP out. And that is Mamta Didi. He's an international footballer. तो गोंया आयला सगळ्यांक मेळपाक to convey this message of Mamta Didi. Mr. Manoj Tiwari, he is a minister in West Bengal government. At this young age, it is a pride for all of us that young people like Manoj ji are leading the rest of the country. And this can happen only in Trinamool. He is a cricketer, he's still a cricketer, and he's still a politician, and he's doing both his roles too well. So therefore, Trinamool Congressik घट करपाची गरज आसा. Trinamool Congressik पयली म्हणजे हायकमांड ना. बाकी पार्टींक कितें आसा कशें आसा तुमी जाणा. Trinamool Congressaक हायकमांड ना. गोंयचे लोक सगळे एकठांय जावन थारायतले. गोंयचे लोक थारायता तो पक्षाचो गोवा तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो हायकमांड. हांगा हायकमांड ना, वयल्यांतल्यान कांय येवचें ना. ते आमकां आधार करपाक आयल्या, ते गोंयच्या लोकांचें आयकूंक आयल्या. मॅनिफेस्टो सुद्दां फाल्यां पक्षाचो कसो आसतलो? मॅनिफेस्टो आसतलो लोकांचें आयकून. लोकांक कितें जाय, लोकांच्यो आशा कितें आसा ह्यो आयकून मॅनिफेस्टो आसतलो. म्हणजे हो हायवे न्हय. This is a participative process which has no high command and nobody will tell us from above अशें कर आनी अशें कर. गोंयकार सांगतले आनी तसो पक्ष चलतलो. खूब खोशी. And if you want to fight and win, and we want to fight and win together against BJP, then the answer on the national horizon is clear. The answer is Mamta Didi and Trinamool Congress. What is Trinamool? Trinamool कोंकणीन सांगता. Trinamool म्हणजे तीन मुळां. तीन मुळां. Trinamool म्हणजे ग्रासरूट स्ट्रक्चराची पार्टी. तीन मुळां आशिल्ली पार्टी. माती आणि मानुष. मा म्हणजे आमची आवय, ही सृष्टी आमची आवय. तिची जतनाय घेवपा जाय. माती म्हणजे आमची ही भूंय आमी राखपाक जाय. आणि मनुष्य म्हणजे मनीसपण, हे सगळे आमी मनीसपणाच्या मार्गांतल्यान करपाक जाय. सो हो एजेंडा फुडें व्हरून आमचें गोंय राखपाक, आमचो देश राखपाक आनी BJP भायरावपाक एकूच मार्ग आसा जो सक्सीड जावंक शकता आनी आमी कार्य एकठांय केल्यार सक्सीड जातले, तो तृणमूल काँग्रेस. तो पक्ष open our eyes, we open our ears and we understand reality well. We will not be able to succeed in this goal of throwing BJP out. And the only way to do this is to adopt the Mamta formula. And what is the Mamta Didi formula? BJP President and Home Minister of that time, Amit Shah, took more than 200 rallies in Bengal. Modi ji, who is the Prime Minister, took equal number of rallies in Bengal. One woman, with her resolve and with the dedication of her team, which comprises of Prasunda, Manoj ji, and so many other leaders who are inspirational, they fought on, they took on, and not just took on, they succeeded. So,
आम्ही खूप सोंसला आणि लोक आमकां म्हणटात सुशेगाद. लायट कंटिन्युअसली वता, रस्ते फुटुल्ले आसा. कितले फावटी आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगलें पूण कांयच जावंक ना. ते दीस चीफ मिनिस्टर येता म्हूण बेश्टे रस्ते वयल्यान प्लास्टर कोत्तले, पत्ते रस्ते फुटुल्ले आहा. कोण आमचो कुयदाद घेता? कोणूच कुयदाद घेना. आयज तृणमूल काँग्रेस, ती ममता बॅनर्जी, ती दिदी वाणो घालून भोंवता, पूण शी इज अ फायर ब्रँड. शी डज नॉट गेट स्केर्ड ऑफ एनी वन. You see her, you must have seen her at last elections in Bengal, when, as Denzel said, as Mr. Advocate Yatish said, as Mr. Prashunda said, Prime Minister went down with his entourage to Bengal. All the ministers went down to Bengal, but Trinamool Congress reigned and won very handsomely. And if all of you all support, do the same thing in Goa. We will fight for the people in Goa. As Mr. Prashunda said, and as Mr. Advocate Yatish Naik said, there is no high command. We will rule, we will decide with the people. And that is one thing that is good. Sports म्हळ्यार कोबार. आमी स्पोर्ट्समॅन आमचेच सांगता तुका. आमचे ग्रांट्स चडशे एसोसिएशनाचे 6 वर्सां दिवंक ना. कशे आमी नॅशनल प्लेयर करतले? कशे ते भुरगे पळय आसा ते रेल्वेज आनी सर्विसेसान वतले, कशे तांकां गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळटले?
It's pleasure to first of all welcome you all in my home, the home that I am born and brought up. It was always my dream that if ever after my sports that I wanted to get into politics to give back to the people of my state and my constituency, I would start my first meeting in my compound, in my home. And I don't think I am scared of anyone when I say I am with Trinamool Party from Bengal, because we are here to run a government. We are not here to fool people, we are here to run the government. I remember as a 12-year-old kid visiting Calcutta way back in 2003 until 2020 that I visited the changes, the sports personalities, importance that has been given to sports people. Being a sports person, I will talk about sports. I think Mamta Didi, we call her Didi, has done a great job. Every footballer, every sports personality in the state has got the opportunity post-retirement, some job or the other. Today, I am an international player, but I don't have a job. I am here to serve people on my own, and now Trinamool Party has come to me to serve the people on their behalf from my constituency. I will be more than happy to serve the people of Saligaon.
Holiday, but now when I'm representing my party here, I can see the disappointment in the faces of the people out here. What I was expecting out of Goa, I cannot see that. There is no development at all. Like Sir Lenny said, Denzil said, no development, electricity problems, road problems, many other problems. So that's why it's very important to bring a change and to support and to give your valuable votes when the time comes for All India Trinamool Congress. We want to bring that change, and when I come from a background of sport. A lot of you know me as a cricketer who has joined the politics. But when we used to play Goa Cricket Association in our matches, sad to say, at this point of time, you hardly see any players playing in the IPL edition, IPL tournament. There are a couple of them which they played few years back, they are friend of mine. But after that, what happened? They don't get recognized, they don't get the platform to go higher on the level of cricket. It same goes with football as well. So many legends have been given from here to our nation. They have represented India, they have worked tirelessly, worked hard, but no recognition at all. And BJP is in power right now. If they can't respect the sports people out here, the general people, the people of Goa, by recognizing them, by fulfilling their wishes, they have completely destroyed the culture of sports here. As well as Lenzil sir is here, it's a proud feeling and honor to sit beside him because he represented Tokyo as a referee in the Olympics. Give a big round of applause for him. It's not an easy thing to do. Where is the recognition from the state government? There is no recognition. Then why the people will take up sports or other thing to move forward in life? That is why it's very important for you all to cast your important votes in favor of All India Trinamool Congress and help this party come in power, and then we will show you how development is done in Goa. Thank you very much. And I would like to refer to you all as well, whosoever you want. It will be your wishes that will represent Saligaon and Goa from here. Thank you very much.
Place, that time is different. Now time is different. That's why Asit sitting here, my son, like a wonderful leader and correct man. And I tell you, everybody, Manoj Tiwari just finished, and everything he's telling you, wonderful boy, Manoj, really very cricketer, is a minister, because of Mamta Banerjee. Because of Mamta Banerjee. Denzil is an outstanding footballer. Not only that, he's a great footballer. First footballer, professional footballer is Denzil. Big hands, you will help him. Big hand, we need it. Excellent player. He has come to us. I am very, very happy. Very, very happy. Very, very happy. And another lizard is sitting there. Lena is there. Wonderful persons. He is a great 10-time Olympian official is there. Not a matter of joke. We are very happy. We are very happy. We respect them for that. But everything telling our Manoj, I only thing I want to tell you. Please come with us. Mamta is a great leader. Mamta is a honest leader. I never seen these type of people. My age is 66 now. I know so many people are there. All over there, I am 3-time MPs. Where these MPs, when I come to there, go to there, really were disappointed. This BJP party, I don't know. This BJP party finished our everything. Everything they finished in India. No secularity, nothing is there, sports is not there, everything is finished. खाली बड़ा बड़ा बात, आम का मन का बात बोलते हैं उन्हें, मन का बात, आपका मन का बात कौन सुनेंगे? For that, I tell you, I'm MP, nowadays we are just slaves. And those who are sitting there, they are all hero. I'm very disappointed, that is not a things for that. I'm very happy, our boys, our brother, our son join here, our friends join here, really happy. I tell you, I request you, your constituency, everybody come with us, Mamata Banerjee. She is a very, very lady. I think Mamata born 100 years, one Mamata is coming. After one Mamata is coming. She is a very honest, very nice. She want to do, to support you all.